In the golden city of Athens, excitement fills the air. Duke Theseus prepares to wed Hippolyta, the proud Amazon queen, and the people celebrate with music and garlands. But while Athens rejoices, love is in turmoil. Hermia, bold and stubborn, refuses to marry Demetrius, the man her father has chosen. Her heart belongs to Lysander, a young dreamer. If I must choose, Hermia says, I'll choose love, even if it means defying the law. Lysander whispers, then let's run away together, far from Athens. But their secret is not safe. Poor Helena loves Demetrius, yet he rejects her and chases Hermia instead. I am your dog, Helena sighs. The more you beat me, the more I follow. And so the chase begins. Hermia and Lysander steal into the forest. Demetrius storms after them, and Helena runs behind. Yet this forest is no ordinary wood. Here rule Oberon, the fairy king, and Titania, the fairy queen. Their quarrel over a stolen child has disturbed nature itself. Storms rage in summer, rivers flood, flowers bloom out of season. And watching all is Oberon's mischievous servant, Puck. With a sly grin, he plucks a magic flower, whose juice makes sleepers fall in love with the first creature they see. What fools these mortals be! Puck laughs, ready for mischief. Soon the spell begins its work. Lysander awakens, sees Helena, and instantly kneels before her. Fair goddess, perfect nymph! Helena gasps, thinking it a cruel trick. Later, Demetrius is enchanted too, and he joins Lysander in praising Helena. Poor Hermia is left furious and heartbroken. Yesterday, I was everyone's sunshine, and today I am a shadow? Meanwhile, in another corner of the forest, a group of humble craftsmen rehearse a play for the Duke's wedding. Bottom, their loudest member, declares, I'll play the lion, the lover, and the moon, all at once. His friends groan, until Puck sneaks in and transforms Bottom's head into that of a donkey. When he brays, the others scatter in terror. At that very moment, Titania awakens under the spell and beholds donkey-headed Bottom. My angel, my sweet beast, she sings, weaving flowers into his ears. Bottom, scratching his head, mutters, well, I always knew I was handsome, but this is new. The night grows wild. Helena is chased by two enchanted men. Hermia accuses Helena of stealing her love, and the girls nearly fight. Call me short again, Hermia snaps, and I'll scratch your eyes out. Swords are drawn, insults fly, and Puck dances between them like a firefly, delighted at the chaos. But at last, Oberon commands, enough. With his magic staff, he breaks the spells. Titania awakens to Oberon's embrace. The lovers' hearts are set right again, and Bottom's donkey head fades away. By dawn, peace returns. In Athens, Duke Theseus welcomes the 4 lovers into his court. Hermia with Lysander, Helena with Demetrius. At the wedding feast, the craftsmen perform their silly little play. Bottom struts proudly, overacting so much that the nobles roar with laughter until their sides ache. At last, the palace falls quiet. The fairies slip through the halls, blessing the marriages with magic. Then Puck steps forward, bowing beneath the silver moon. With a twinkle in his eye, he speaks. If we shadows have offended, think but this, and all is mended. And with that, he vanishes into the starlight, leaving behind only love, laughter, and the memory of a midsummer dream.